Fix Xbox app error 0x80090010 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the troubleshooter. We first recommend checking whether the issue can be fixed by the troubleshooter. Proceed with the following steps. Fix 2. Check for corrupted files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Reset network connection. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 4. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Fix 5. Reset/repair Xbox and other apps.